Hello everyone, so let me show you how to fix the yellow tint issue on a Realme C67 screen. So first of all, let's start with the simplest solution. Try to restart your screen. So simply hold your power button, which you can find right here on the right side of your phone, and your volume up button. So hold them simultaneously, choose your restart option, and that's it. However, if your problem still persists, let's keep on. So now let's try to mess with our display settings. So open up your settings, find your display section, and in our display section we are to look for dark screen and night light. So here's your night light. Make sure that it turned off because this built-in feature may be causing the yellow tint. However, if it's not, let's check about color, temperature, and modes. So choose this option, and here make sure to choose a neutral or cold color temperature, or simply adjust it on this scale, because otherwise it may be just your filter which you accidentally put, and now it gives you this yellow tint. Alright, the next good thing to do is to open up your settings once again, to scroll down and to find your About Phone tab. In your About Phone tab, find your Realme UI option, open it, and here make sure that you have your Realme phone updated to the latest version, because sometimes they might resolve the yellow tint issue. So some Realme devices come with a build and diagnostic tools to check the screen. So open up your phone security tab, and here if something goes wrong and if it detects any hardware issues, it should be noticing you. And basically that's it. If none of these steps help, it's likely hardware issues, so you should visit a service center for further diagnosis. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.